Are you a millionaire?
Excuse me.
You look like a millionaire.
Why do you think that?
Your shoes are shinier than the sun.
Haha, I guess they are polished.
And your watch? That thing is brighter than my future.
It was a gift from my company.
You must be important.
I run a finance company.
Sounds rich. I run a flower cart.
That's unique. What flowers do you sell?
Sunflowers, roses, daisies, and smiles.
Smiles are the best product.
I give them for free. Not like your watch.
You got me there.
Do you always sit on this bench?
Only when I need peace.
Same here. I come to rest my legs.
Long day at work?
Always. Carrying flower buckets is no joke.
I never thought of that.
You think money is heavy? Try buckets of water.
Fair point. That sounds exhausting.
It is. But I love my flowers. They never argue.
Better than people, then?
People talk too much. Flowers just bloom.
That's poetic.
Thank you. I'm a poet after 5 p.m.
What happens before 5?
I'm a tired vendor with sore feet.
You work hard. That's respectable.
I don't work hard. I just move slow.
That's still something.
You look stressed. Is money heavy too?
Sometimes, pressure is everywhere.
Want a sunflower? It fixes pressure.
Will it fit in my pocket?
Only if your heart has room.
That's deep. I didn't expect that.
I surprise people, especially rich ones.
I admit, I didn't expect to talk today.
And now you're smiling. That's a win.
You're right. This is new for me.
Don't worry. I won't charge for the therapy.
Generous of you.
I like this bench. It brings strange friends.
Unlikely friends, maybe, but nice.
Do you have any real friends?
Only a few. Busy life, fewer people.
I have many. Even a pigeon named Bob.
A pigeon? That's impressive.
He sits with me every Tuesday. He likes sunflower seeds.
Sounds loyal.
More than some humans I know.
I can understand that.
You ever walk barefoot in the grass?
No, never.
You should. Feels like freedom.
I wear expensive shoes, not made for grass.
That's sad. Your feet deserve joy.
Maybe I'll try it one day.
Next time, Come without a suit.
Without a suit, people would stare.
Let them. Be the crazy millionaire for a day.
That's actually tempting.
We can dance under the trees.
In front of everyone?
Why not? I'm a big woman. I dance like a balloon.
That sounds fun and brave.
It is. Try it sometime. Lose the tie, find your soul.
You should be a life coach.
I am. I coach pigeons and rich men.
Quite a combination.
It works. Bob never complains. You shouldn't either.
Noted, you are very inspiring.
No one's ever said that to me.
Then let me be the first.
You want a flower tomorrow?
Yes, something yellow.
I'll bring a daffodil. Hope in flower form.
That's perfect.
Same bench, same time.
I'll be here early.
I'll be late. It's tradition.
I'll wait. I have patience.
Good, and I'll bring a joke too.
Now that I look forward to.
Just don't wear that tie again.
Fine, I'll wear sneakers.
Then we'll match. I have old pink ones.
That would be fun.
People will stare, but we'll smile.
That's a fair deal.
Deal sealed with a flower.
And a smile. See you tomorrow, Lisa.
See you, Mr. Serious Face. Don't forget your pockets.
I won't. One for the daffodil, one for joy.